Hello everyone. This is me, Devoshmita Sharkar. Today we are going to discuss about the human computer who is Shakuntala Devi. Shakuntala Devi. Shakuntala Devi was born on November 4th November 1929 and died on 21st April 2013. She was an Indian writer and mental calculator, popularly known as the human computer. Devi strove to simplify mathematics for students. Her talent earned her a place in the 1982 edition of the Guinness Book of World Records. However, the certificate for the record was given posthumously on 30th July 2020, despite Devi achieving a world record on 18th June 1980 at Imperial College, London. Devi was a precocious child and she demonstrated her arithmetic abilities at the University of Mysore without any formal education. Devi wrote a number of books in her later years, including novels as well as texts about mathematics, puzzles, and astrology. She wrote the book The World of Homosexuals, which is considered the first study of homosexuality in India. She saw homosexuality in a positive light and is considered a pioneer in the field. Early life of Shakuntala Devi. Shakuntala Devi was born in Bangalore, Karnataka, to a Kannada Hindu family. Her father worked as a trapeze artist, lion tamer, tightrope walker, and magician in a circus. He discovered his daughter's ability to memorize numbers while teaching her a card trick when she was about 3 years old. Her father left the circus and took her on road shows that displayed her ability at calculation. She did this without any formal education. At the age of 6, she demonstrated her arithmetic abilities at the University of Mysore in 1944. Devi moved to London with her father. Mental calculation of Shakuntala Devi. Devi traveled to several countries around the world demonstrating her arithmetic talents. She was on tour of Europe throughout 1950 and was in New York City in 1976. In 1988, she traveled to the US to have her abilities studied by Arthur Jensen, a professor of educational psychology at the University of California, Berkeley. Jensen tested her performance at several tasks, including the calculation of large numbers. Examples of the problems presented to Devi included calculating the cube roots of 61, 629, 875, and the seventh root of 178, 59, and 375. Jensen reported that Devi provided the solution to the above mentioned problems 395 and 15 respectively before Jensen could copy them down in his notebook. Jensen published his findings in the academic journal Intelligence in 1990. In 1977, at Southern Methodist University, she gave the 23rd root of a 201 digit number in 50 seconds. Her answer is 546,372,891 was confirmed by calculations done at the US Bureau of Standards by the UNIVAC 1101 computer, for which a special program had to be written to perform such a large calculation, which took a long time than for her to do the same. On 18 June 1980, she demonstrated the multiplication of two 13-digit number, which is 7686 396 774 870 into multiplied by 2 465 099 745 779. Such a huge number. These numbers were picked at random by the Department of Computing at Imperial College London. She correctly answered that 18 947 668 177 995 426 462 773 730 in 28 seconds, which was the time taken by her to speak the answer. This event was recorded in the 1982 Guinness Book of World Record. Writer Stephen Smith commented that the result is so far superior to anything previously reported that it can only be described as unbelievable. In a 2009 interview, Devi recalled Indira Gandhi telling her, Shakuntala, remember, I have got so many ambassadors all over the world, but you are a very special ambassador because you are a roving ambassador, a mathematical ambassador who can win friends for India and build up close relationship between country to country. Shakuntala Devi explained many of the methods she used to do mental calculation in her book Figuring the Joy of Numbers, which is still in print. Book on homosexuality. In 1977, she wrote The World of Homosexuals, the first published academic study of homosexuality in India, for which she was criticized. In the documentary For Straights Only, she said that her interest in the topic was because of her marriage to homosexual family and her miss to homosexual man and her desire to look at homosexuality more closely to understand it. The book, considered pioneering, features interviews with two young Indian homosexual men, a male couple in Canada seeking legal marriage, a temple priest who explains his views on homosexuality, and a review for the existing literature on homosexuality. It ends with a call for decriminalization of homosexuality and full and complete acceptance, not tolerance and sympathy. The book, however, went mostly unnoticed at that time. Personal life. Devi returned to India in the mid 1960s and married Puritosh Banerjee, an officer of the Indian Administrative Service from Kolkata. They divorced in 1979 due to personal problems. In 1980, she contested the Lok Sabha election as an independent candidate for Mumbai South and for Medak in Andhra Pradesh, which is now in Telangana. In Medak, she stood against the former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, saying that she wanted to defend people of Medak from being fooled by Mrs. Gandhi. She stood ninth with 6,514 votes, 1.47 percentage of the votes. They returned to Bangalore in the early 1980s. In addition to her work as a mental calculator, Devi was a notable astrologer and an author of several books, including cookbooks and novels. Death and legacy of Shakuntala Devi. In April 2013, Devi was admitted to a hospital in Bangalore with severe respiratory problems. Over the following 2 weeks, she suffered from heart and kidney complication. She died in hospital on 21st April 2013 and she was 83-year old. She was survived by her daughter. On 4th November 2030, Devi was honored with a Google Doodle on what would have been her 84th birthday. A film on her life, Tilted Shakuntala Devi, was announced on May 2019. The film stars Vidya Balan in the lead role and features Sania Malhotra, Amit Sadh, and Jishu Sengupta. Produced by Sony Picture Network Production, the film streamed worldwide on Amazon Prime Video on 31st July 2020. Now we'll see the selected works of Shakuntala Devi. They are Astrology for You, Book of Numbers, Figuring the Joy of Numbers, In the Wonderland of Numbers, Mathability, Awaken the Mad Genius in Your Child, More Puzzle to Puzzle You, perfect murder, puzzles to puzzle you, super memory, it can be yours, the world of homosexuals. Now we'll see a video which shows Shakuntala Devi
Could you just tell me how
doing
many digits?
mathematics in few seconds.
So that I can sort of program my mind, you see? How many digits by how many digits?
They're both 8 digits.
8-digit numbers.
Yes.
Okay, fine. I'll look at it once it is written down. Okay, now the question is 2, 4, 5, 9, 3, 7, 2, 8 multiplied by 3, 8, 7, 2, 2, 1, 3, 6. Now tell me, Ayaz, you want me to give you the answer from this side to this side or this side to this side?
Oh my God. I don't think I want the answer. What a choice. Go backwards.
I think let Chandrasekhar decide. Chandrasekhar, do you want the answer from this side to this side or this side to this side?
No, we'll keep the unconventional method later on. Let's go the conventional route first.
This way you mean?
Yeah, we have enough problem digesting the whole multiplication.
No,
So,
this way? This way?
why don't we do it differently? What about the panel? Would you prefer the other way?
No, we should start from the left.
From this way,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Okay, I got the answer already. The answer is 9, 5, 2, 3, 2, 1, 6, 8, 0, 3, 6, 3, 0, 0, 8.
I wouldn't believe if that was
Is it
right.
correct?
It's exactly correct.
Absolutely correct?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Right on the pen.
I can't believe that. Are you sure it's even one digit is not wrong there?
It's
perfectly correct.
This video I got from YouTube. Now we will look on to the very interesting part of this video, which is the trailer of the movie.
Myself, Shakuntala. मैथ में रूल्स नहीं है, सिर्फ जादू है। तैयार हो मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड मैथ से दोस्ती करने के लिए?
पापा मुझे भी स्कूल जाना है।
स्कूल तुझे क्या सिखाएगा? तू उल्टा स्कूल को ही सिखा देगी।
मैंने एक आदमी को गोली मार दी थी। क्या हुआ? पोहा खाइए ना।
What is it that you love about being on stage?
People's face when they see a girl in chotis doing maths.
Jyoti.
Choti.
Oh,
372891.
how do you do it?
923.
How are you doing this?
How? 2773730.
Mr. V just made it to the Guinness Book of World Records.
I was correct. The computer was wrong.
And that's why they named you the human computer.
इतने इंटेलिजेंट और गुड लुकिंग आदमी का बेबी चाहिए ना मुझे।
कब लाओ बारा?
बेबी चाहिए था, पति नहीं। 10 साल बाबा आप भूल सकते हैं पर मैं नहीं। 10 साल तक माँ ने मुझे आपसे दूर रखा। जितना प्यार आप मैथ से करती है, उसका आधा भी अगर आप मुझसे करती तो तुमने मुझसे मेरा मैथ छोड़वा दिया। अपनी बेटी की देखभाल करने के लिए आपको नोबेल प्राइज मिलना चाहिए।
तुम्हारी माँ ने अपनी पावर ऑफ अटर्नी का इस्तेमाल करके तुम्हारी सारी प्रॉपर्टीज बेच दी।
वो लड़ाई चाहती थी, अब उन्हें जंग लड़नी होगी। अब बाकी मॉम्स की तरह नॉर्मल क्यों नहीं हो सकती है? जब अमेजिंग हो सकती हूँ, तो नॉर्मल क्यों बनूं? मैं कभी नहीं हारती। Always remember that. So do you want me to give you the answer from left to right or right to left? I'll give it to you from right to left. 496395555. Am I correct?
Absolutely correct.
That's pretty dramatic.
We Indians are like that only. Drama or nothing.
Do watch the video. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to comment in the comment section below. Bye bye. Stay home and stay safe.